Hi everyone, my name is Rajendra Meena and I'm a solution specialist in Civil 3D and in InfraWorks from Capricorn Technology. We bring you weekly insight on how to convert a planning road to a component road in a InfraWorks. Capricorn Technology is a Win0 company and a partner of choice for AEC Industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk along with the authorized training center. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with client of over 20,000 in AEC and related industries. Today's objective of this insight is to showcase method of how to we create a planning road and then how we can convert that planning road to into a component road in InfraWorks, and then how we can adjust a profile of the component road. So I capture one existing site conditions near Jaipur, and it's Jaipur Kishangarh Expressway. So if you see this one, it's in this InfraWorks model, it captured the existing site condition. But if I click this one, and it shows the informations of these roads, like it's a Jaipur Kishangarh Expressway. And if I open in the OpenStreetMap also, we can see the actual informations in a map, right? So it gives the accurate informations, whatever is on the existing surface, right? Now, if you see, this is a planning road. Now, what is the difference between the planning road and the component road? Why we need to change the planning road into a component road in InfraWorks? So in planning road, basically it does not contain the profiles. It's just contains only the width and the speeds. I mean the less informations, and there is no profile of that one. So to adjust the profiles and to modify this component, this like a planning road, you have to change into a component road. So if I click this and if I check the profile of this planning road, if you see there is no profile, right? So how we can adjust this if it is like we don't have a profiles? So for that, we have to convert that road into a component road. So we have two methods to create a components from the planning road to a component. So first method is either you just directly create a component road from here, or just click the planning road and right click and just go to convert to a component road. So this road, the road which is selected, it will convert into a component road. So I just converting this one. Now it has a profile and I can adjust the profile of this roads. Now I can adjust the alignment. I can see we have the information now. Before it is not there, right? We can change the gradient, and also we can change the radius. If we want to change, we can change this radius also, right? We can drag, we can edit also. Let us say I want to change this one, it will become 100, so I can change, right? This is changed, and in planning road it is not possible. So for that you have to convert your planning road to component. And if we can see the profile of this, so before it is not there, now if I just click this, I get the profile of this road. And now you can adjust your profiles, and now it is you can adjust your profiles, the grades you want, and how you adjust how your profile is going on. So you can adjust that one. Even apart from this, we have the more options like you can turn on the existing road, also the drainage, if there is a junctions or there is a some structure part or some surface layers. So right, so we have all the informations. According to that, we can adjust our profiles. So we can see here in this sections we have the uh, junctions, right? So let us say I just change again. Even you can insert the vertices as well. Even like you can also track your live trackings. See, if you're able to see on the my second option, let me just drag. See, you can track your profile as well. So you can add this according to your requirement of the profiles. So that's the use of the component roles. So why? And the other method is like we can go directly from here in the create in the component role. You just select this, and here you can select the assembly, the like your typical cross sections of the assemblies, and select that row. And just if I just select, I'm creating this simple one. It changes, right? And I can add a geometry part as well, like how you can add a spiral curve or a curves. So I just adding a one curve, and that is changed. Similarly, we can adjust the profile of this component role, right? So we get the profile of this role, and we can track also. So this is how you can use the use case of the component roles in InfraWorks, and even like you can add more objects in this component role. Like if you want to add some structures like bridge, tunnels, so you can add, and that is possible only in the component road, not in the planning road. So let us say I just want to add some bridge in these sections. So just click the starting and chainage. So let us say I just add only this much. It takes just little times. It depends on your internet speed and this your system. Yeah. So if you see here, the bridge is added here in this portions up to this to this. So we can adjust because now the profile is very down. So it is not visible. So select the component role and just go to again the profiles. And if you see, and even you can turn on the all the things. Okay, so just turn off this and I adjust. So I take more on height so that we can easily visible our bridge. So I just create a very small section of the bridge and I adjust the profile. So if you now able to see the bridge, right? So this is a way we can add our structures in the component rows. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Caprico Technology Private Limited and like and comments if you like the insights. And we would like be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topics you would want to discuss. And you can contact me on my mail ID rajendra.meena@com. Thank you on behalf of the Caprico Technologies.